Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings, then Personalization, or launch the built-in Theme Store app directly. This is the only supported path on Iqoo Z6. Once done, sign into your Iqoo/Vivo account so downloads are tracked. Make sure you have Wi-Fi connected and at least 200 MB free. Lack of space will block installs. Now tap Themes, then browse or My Themes to view available templates. You're ready to pick a theme to preview and install. Don't pause now. You now tap a theme card and use Preview to inspect icons, lock screen, widgets, and fonts. This explains how it will change your phone. Once satisfied, press Download and permit any theme store permissions. These enable replacements for icons and wallpapers. After download, choose Apply Preview to see the effect temporarily. This avoids surprises. If everything looks good, confirm Apply to commit changes. Make sure to watch for prompts about replacing the system launcher or restarting the home screen. Finish by tapping Apply to set the theme globally. Some themes require the launcher to restart, so you may see a momentary reload or a prompt to reboot. Accept it. Once applied, you can fine-tune icons and fonts in Settings Personalization if alignment or sizes need tweaking. If the theme fails to apply, clear the Theme Store app cache and storage. Ensure both Theme Store and system are updated, then retry. That single troubleshooting step fixes the vast majority of issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.